Grammar quiz. The past simple tense. Fill in the blanks using the past simple tense. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. Number 1. The chef blank the turkey and roasties. Is it A burn, B burns, C burnt or D was burn? The correct answer is C, burnt. The chef burnt the turkey and roasties. Number 2. Harley blank the van for an hour. Is it A cleaned, B cleaned, C was cleaned, or D has clean? The correct answer is A, cleaned. Harley cleaned the van for an hour. 3. The police blank the speeding motorist. Is it A chase, B chasing, C chased, or D chases? The correct answer is C chased. The police chased the speeding motorist. 4. Berkeley blank Stevens in the ring. Is it A beated, B beat, C beats, or D was beats? The correct answer is B, beat. Berkeley beat Stevens in the ring. And 5. Tyler blank in the lake and can't get out. Is it A fall, B falls, C felled, or D fell? The correct answer is D fell. Tyler fell in the lake and can't get out. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.